So I'm doing a what's in my fridge tour. I did this a while ago, but I wanted to do a new one. So I'll try to stay in focus. These are cherry tomatoes. They're really, really good and I love them. And these are my favorite cheese, and it's just like Cracker Cuts pepper jack cheese, which is my favorite cheese. And we just have these peaches and strawberry banana flavored light syrup. And then I think we have pears back there, and we have eggs, and we have pineapple juice, and we have milk, which is 1% milk, and we have cream cheese, and we have sour cream, and we have Welch's white grape juice, which is one of my favorite juices. We have some Capri Sun, and that is strawberry kiwi. And then we have these Roaring Waters Capri Sun, that's wild cherry. And these are just leftover potatoes and chicken. And in here, we just have like cheeses and extra cream cheese and stuff like that. And veggies like carrots, cucumbers, apples. Yeah. This one, lemons and carrots. And carrots up there, and yogurt. So this is my favorite yogurt at the moment. It's the Dannon Oikos, and this is like the black cherry one, which is this black cherry. Yeah, it's black cherry. It's so good and yummy, yummy, yummy. And it's fruit on the bottom too. And then I like these fruit on the bottom ones as well. They have all different flavors. Strawberry, cherry, raspberry. So they're really good. Okay, up here, just applesauce, strawberry applesauce. And this is ketchup, soy sauce, Thousand Island dressing, honey mustard, Ready Whip, mustard, Miracle Whip, or yeah, I think that's what it is. Cranberry juice, pickles, Coffee Mate, jelly, which I hate, and some of these Capri Sun and ranch and relish and some stuff like that at the bottom. So that's everything in our fridge at the moment. So yeah. Our freezer has like Smart Ones, chicken, butter, some ice creams, which I don't like, and some stuff like that. And this is not all the food we have. We have other stuff in like cabinets and stuff, but that's everything in our freezer right now. So that was my fridge tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it.